Masking versus foundation repairs. People wear masks for many different reasons. Some good and others a little suspect. Stay tuned to hear how to keep from getting robbed by a masked foundation. Hi, I'm Nolan Beery and I'm the Director of Sales Development at AccuLevel. I remember as a child, I would wear a mask at Halloween. The mask could cover our face, and my brother and I would love it when family members didn't know who we were. In this video, I'll talk about common ways to mask foundation issues, how long masking issues can last, and will masking foundation issues cost you more in the long run. Before we go further, please give us a thumbs up and ring that bell. Let's get started. So there are a few common ways to mask issues with your foundation. One of the biggest ones we see is just tuck pointing. And this is going on the brick or the stone of your home in the exterior, grinding out the mortar and just putting new mortar in where maybe old cracks were in an effort just to cover up that there were any cracks to begin with. Another way that people mask foundation issues, and especially in slab homes, is using floor leveler. It's something you can pick up from a local department store. You can spread it on your floor and give you the appearance that it's level. But if the actual foundation problems underneath have not been solved first, then you're just covering up an issue. You may even see caulking around the bottom where your floor and your basement wall meet in an effort to try to keep that water from seeping up through what we call the cove joint. These are just a few of those things that we see that mask foundation or even waterproofing issues in homes. Sometimes it could last just a few weeks, and other times it could last a couple years or until that foundation or that slab moves. And really that's up to Mother Nature when that's going to happen. Are there voids there? Is it a really, really dry season or a really, really wet season? But you're going to usually start to see those same symptoms, whether it's drywall cracking or cracks in that exact place that was tuck pointed or water just starting to seep in. You're going to usually see those within the year that it's been done. The simple answer to this is yes. Simply because whatever's been done to mask it usually has to come out to repair it. And the longer you cover something up, the worse that problem gets underneath. So if we're just talking about water, for example, if that's covering that up, then the harder that's going to be on your foundation walls or even underneath your slab. They could cause potential foundation failures, whether it's your bowing of the basement wall or the foundation actually sinking. And then as far as tuck pointing on the outside or even that slab leveler, those kind of things just hide those issues that can help those voids get bigger or the problem get worse before you may even know that there's a problem at all. To schedule an appointment with one of our project advisors, give us a call or go to our homepage, AccuLevel.com, and click the Book a Consultation button. Fill out the form and we'll contact you within the next business day. Do you have questions about your foundation and if maybe something's been covered up? If so, please leave them in the comments below. Check out the description for more videos and blog articles on crawlspace and foundation repair. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and ring that bell. We greatly appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching.